an television. Jiris.
Television.
Thomas on television. Thomas on television. Have you ever seen Thomas on television? Thomas America.
This summer, I went to the Gaeltacht in Donegal for 3 weeks. For those of you who don't know, Gaeltacht is a part of Ireland where Irish is the primary language spoken. It is normally a rural place, and students from all over Ireland go to camps there to study Irish and have fun through the Irish language. So it's only right that I do this in Irish. Hopefully I pronounce half of this correctly, but I won't promise anything. Anish, Motam an Gaeltacht. Kadoshin me. Vi dúnan al intach álan. Vi nís má dréachta agus álaíocht ag na sléifte a thuúlmuid gach lá ná ein chathair nó balla riamh. Chonaic muid an haraga an siomra lépa a gcuin, agus chonaic muid na háilte ag siúl go dtí an bos. Chúi muid go dtí an srá agus bhí sé cosisiúil leis na Bahamaí. Rinne mé caiiceáil trid na háilte agus na caragacha agus an sin le mé as tú. An dearú seachtainna chúlmuid go dtí an siopa beag, cheannamuid seacladí agus uachta róte. Cén tána atá art?
Callie.
April.
Thomas, sock bandit. Neve. I steal people's house for fun.
Tornum, And how old are you guys?
I'm 16.
I'm 16.
I'm
Shavlin
16.
and Jagdish.
Shavlin and Jagdish.
How old are you?
Quaid Blaine and Jagdish.
Good.
That's good, yeah.
Shavlin and
Gaelga
Jagdish.
briste.
Tommy
Wait, is fearlam Gaelga briste na Béarla cliste.
Shop.
Okay. Okras arm.
Tommy and
August.
Talker's arm.
What are we doing after dinner today?
Water
Water
sports.
sports.
Sportishka. Probably
Sportishka.
sportishka.
Kayaking.
Cliff
Right,
jumping.
Kayak or something, right?
Kayaking really
Tommy
hurts the legs.
Oh no, the battery.
Because you gotta cram them in the
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Is Misha a hot bandit?
Yeah.
Okay. Slán. Slán. I'm being squished. My killing. Oh my gosh. Do you want me to get up so you can sit up here?
Nah,
No? Okay.
you're bad. I'm just having a sad minute, you know? Sad boy R.
Okay.
And so Tyler makes me feel bad.
Alright. So, today's our day off, sort of. It's our afternoon off. And Tara's talking, yes.
This is just
Tara's
so annoying, but we love her. Of course, mommy.
Tommuid ag dul go dtí an siopa. Mar bhálam chocolate.
Chocolate.
Agus
You're right.
yeah. I don't know what else. But yeah, the view is crazy here. Like that's just casually there. And the ocean's just casually there. Mountains just like what?
Jamie's just casually
here. But we normally can't have our phones with us for school, so I haven't been able to like video a lot. Besides in our room. But yeah, hopefully I have footage from like yesterday was water sports. And like I have other footage, but like not really a lot. And yeah, how long is it to the shop?
An hour.
Woo! Hour-long walk. Who's ready? I'm ready. Is na chalani mcheach mo drefioracha nacha anish. Check anawaya abu. Vi muj foreign intach I nach dúchlan. Great, I got just in time to have you sneeze. Dear, smatter good. Tamid an tra, an tra. Tamid an tra. August. Show an tra. And yeah, it's so calm and it's so like glittery and stuff. It's so nice. I'm so excited.
On Inbhir Sunday.
Do you great.
Can't go pro shot. Can't There's a gal that says seems to tell you. My God. Oh, and we have a down on your mouth because we have that. Good. Go. Keep the hand. If you go airport to Shahog on my margin, I'll go to the guy called Euro. Ready? Look at that.
Ooh, where ya? How does Adam do?
Shot Pedro.
Pedro? Caramba.
That's it, I'll pick up.
Come along.
Ag an Gaelí Hawaii rinne mar an Pushlan Ganelf is bar cyn ar wooing witch.
Misha?
Fi am het an sé seagne?
On Aaron Donut. Aaron Donut, yeah.
Timotá an dóna.
Ag an show talanne bhí an taran is bar a gwyn. Wooing witch an Comórtas na Tithe rudú bus party a rash sa bháile agus fuair an provuja an pizza. Tá muid just fanúir. Ma bhí mé chun chur sios an Gaeltacht le focail amháin, bheith sé ceol. Bhí muid ag dósta ag canú agus ag imirt mar nach riamh amárach an. Bhí focail eile a Curtis. Bhí na daoine go híntaach agus colin mé iad cheanna féin, April, Kelly, Anna, Eleanor, Neve, Aoife, Shauna, Jamie agus Ciara, gach duine im a rang, agus na carte eile a rinne méid sport agus a ceol, Jess, Katie, Leo, James, Alva, gach duine. Gur maithagad a bhain an Inbhir, agus slán go fóil.
Hi dear Dad, I love you, Tara.
Love you. Leo, do you have any last words? That's not a word.